What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Showtime is the Blazer King with King's Critiques for Megumin's little spin-off, The Explosion Wonderful World. Wait, what? Explosion on this Wonderful World. Yeah, that's what it is. Totally professional, right? Anyway, if you haven't seen this yet, by the time you see this upload, do go and play me up alongside to listen to my comments as it goes along, or leave me running in the background to make it the watch time, because that'd be much appreciated, as would being a like and subscribe button, because as you know, not as many people who turn on the content are subscribed as they could be. That said, let's get into it. I saw someone quote the redhead here is best girl, and so far I cannot argue that for obvious reasons. I mean, when she does what she does, it's really cool. So it's gonna be fun to see a bunch of explosions. This entire series is gonna be like a Michael Bay movie. I like how her ambitions are high. Yeah, damn. She doesn't want to help put that together because she came from it, so doesn't want to go back. Yeah, like, who could honestly turn that down, though? Why would you do that? That was an awkward exchange, but okay. Yes, sales pitch. That's how I made the money for this food. Yeah, but she had to say, sorry, just randomly getting the money for nice food. I mean, nope, nope. Now you're getting his respect so your wife doesn't have to kill you. Uh-huh. Well, I mean, not many people would be. Some people are honored by it, but wait, what? Her sister has no clue. And her parents are like, wait, what? So like, I recognize a couple of them from the game, but nope. Yeah, that hall was probably also more full last year because, well, it gets annoying to listen. Because he was probably about to just blah 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 blah. Damn. Bitch. Again, bitch. Yeah, like, Union and our way, I know, but are you stalking me? Damn, what an awkward confrontation day one. Oh, snap. Well, beat her in one category at least. And Arway is just like playing a narrator, I guess, for shenanigans. Explosion! She is 100% serious. But it looks cool. And it's really destructive. Bitches! No reason to laugh that much. Says probably one of the most anxiety ridden characters. It's more than her five. Uh, I mean, isn't that what makes explosion magic cool, though, is the fact that it adheres to that exact thing? I'm sorry, what was that last part? I mean, the headmaster's kind of useless, but yeah, of course, Union's gonna be stuck with that teacher. Yeah, fair. Megumin's always been kind of envious in that way ever since the beginning here. Come on. Wait, that doesn't sound right. Many complaints. Anxiety. But that's always why she's been how she is. Just anxious and timid and yeah. I mean, granted, maybe she's really good at magic and we just didn't get to see that before, but is he really believing that? Damn. Yeah, Union says it's rival, and really Megumin just becomes a mentor who's still envious. Wait, what? Okay, why are all the plants alive? Well, that was hell. It wasn't. It's true. No. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's it. Yes, actually. Oof, that ambiance. Well, that was a fun first episode. And I won't exactly recall if we saw our way during the series of Konosuba. I haven't seen the movie yet, so I can't say that much either. Might go watch that later today after watching other stuff, who knows? But seeing everyone in their school days is definitely entertaining, and Megumin found herself a couple of rivals in at least one department, even if she got made fun of for her desired quest to seek out explosion magic, which we know worked eventually. The only question is, how does she get there? That's what this series is about. The other question is, sorry, is the pretty much official best girl of this one the antagonist as well as Megumin's inspiration? Because it looked like that could be a thing. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, as well as, of course, well, yeah, best girl type thing, but I mean, the redhead is kind of the main qualification there. I guess Megumin's mom is pretty cute too, but kind of a fun personality too. Yeah. And of course, about other shows, movies, etc. I should watch this season, next season, or in general, please don't forget hit the like button, subscribe. Subscribe to my main channel in the description down below. Ring both bells like Facebook, follow keep updated with things. TikTok, I'll upload videos under 10 minutes from both channels. Twitch, subscribe there for benefits. Can do so Twitch Prime for free. All the subscriptions help out immensely. Over there is near instant gratification. Here I still need under 150 for partners, as well as a ton of watch time, so don't forget, check out playlists there, video recommend there, and till next time, Pen the Blaze of King, sign out, ta-ta for now, peace.